Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to verify your identity with the IRS, step by step. First, check the IRS letter you received because it tells you exactly which verification method you need to use. Most people can verify online at irs.gov using the Identity Verification Service. You will need your Social Security number, tax filing status, and the exact refund or return details from your recent tax filing. Next, create or sign into your IRS account and follow the prompts to confirm your identity using financial and personal records. If online verification is not available, call the IRS number listed on your notice and follow their instructions carefully. In some cases, you may need to attend an in-person verification appointment with valid ID and tax documents. Once verified, your tax processing will continue automatically, so always respond quickly to avoid delays. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.